Hello, kids. How are you? Today, we are going to learn and practice how to write the uppercase letters. And in this video, we will practice only 5 letters: A, B, C, D, and E. So let's begin with the letter A. This alphabet is very easy to write. So let's get started. First, we start from the top and draw a slanting line down to the left. Just like this. Now, we go back to the top and draw another slanting line down to the right. Like this. And in the middle, draw a straight line across. Like this. Our letter A is ready. It is easy, right now? Great, kids! Now let's learn some words that begin with the letter A. Wonderful. A is for apple, alligator, ant, airplane. Amazing job, kids! Now let's jump to our next letter. Next is the letter B. This letter is also very easy to write. Kids, look closely and write along with me. We start from the top and draw a straight line all the way down. Just like this. Now, back to the top and draw a backward curve down to the middle. Like this. Then, from the middle, draw another curved line that goes all the way down. Like this. Wow, great job, kids! You made it perfectly. Now, kids, let's learn some words that begin with the letter B. B is for bus, ball, balloon, bat. Wonderful, kids! Keep learning just like this. You are doing great. Our third letter is the letter C. This letter is super easy to write. All we do is draw a curve. So let's start from the top and draw a curved line going down to the middle. Like this. Then keep curving the line and draw it slightly back up. Like this. Great job, kids! You made it perfectly! Now let's learn the words that start with the letter C. Great! C is for car, cake, cat, candy. Wow, I'm impressed, kids! Let's move on to the next letter. Now, our fourth letter is the letter D. Look closely at how I write this letter. We start from the top and draw a straight line all the way down. Just like this. Now, back to the top and draw a big curved line that goes all the way down. Like this. And that is how we write the letter D. Easy, right now? Now, children, let's learn some words that begin with the letter D. D is for dog, doll, duck, drum. Wow, great job, kids! Now let's learn the next letter. Our next letter is E. And yes, kids, this one is also very easy to write. Let's start from the top and draw a straight line all the way down. Just like this. Now, back to the top and draw a line across. Like this. Next, in the middle, draw another line across, like this. And finally, draw one last line across at the bottom, like this. You are so amazing, kids. You made it perfectly. Now it is time to learn some words that begin with the letter E. E is for elephant, eagle, egg, engine. Did you have fun, kids? I hope you enjoyed learning these letters today. Remember to practice them every day, because the more you practice, the faster you learn. And hey, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And yes, my little stars, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap the like button too. All right, my little learners, see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Ta-ta!